Professor Dave again. Let's talk gerunds.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
You may have heard the word gerund before. So what does this mean? Gerund is an invariable mood derived from Latin, though the Italian differs considerably, as unlike Latin, the Italian gerund has only one form. The word itself means that must be carried out, because this form is a verbal noun, which in Latin inflects. In Italian, fortunately, it doesn't, and the gerund can be generated by adding one of two different suffixes to the infinitive. The first conjugation will use ando, as in mangiando, and the second and third conjugations will use endo, as in scrivendo or dormendo, and that's all there is to it. A few irregular verbs form their gerund from the imperfect base. Fare, facendo. Dire, dicendo. Bere, bevendo. Porre, ponendo. Tradurre, traducendo. So what does this form mean? It is usually translated into English as the ing form of the verb and describes contemporaneity with the action of the main verb. Sbagliando si impara. Ascoltando la musica, il tempo passa prima. Of course, if you really dislike this tense, the gerund can be easily avoided by transforming the sentence. For the temporal, studio ascoltando la musica. Studio mentre ascolto la musica. For the causal, avendo soldi la vita è più facile. Siccome abbiamo soldi, la vita è più facile. For the hypothetical, studiando così poco, non passerai mai l'esame. We can change this to, se tu studi così poco, non passerai mai l'esame. And for the concessive, anche risparmiando non riuscirai mai a comprare quella macchina. This can become, sebbene tu risparmi, non riuscirai mai a comprare quella macchina. The most common use of this mood is the periphrasis of stare plus the gerund in order to express a progressive action. Progressive means ongoing, and stare substitutes for the English to be. For example, we could say, io mangio la carne. Or we could say, io sto mangiando la carne. The difference is that the first sentence means, I eat meat. This can easily be interpreted as meaning, I eat meat in the general sense. But the second sentence means, I am eating meat, which is action that is necessarily happening right now. Let's do the full conjugation with stare and the gerund for mangiare. Io sto mangiando. Tu stai mangiando. Lui o lei sta mangiando. Noi stiamo mangiando. Voi state mangiando. Loro stanno mangiando. So this is actually quite easy to use and very common in everyday speech. Let's see some more examples that you might hear frequently. Cosa stai facendo? Sto studiando la filosofia. A che cosa stavi pensando? Stavo pensando alla mia ragazza. Mi sono fatto male al ginocchio mentre stavo correndo. And that's it for gerunds. So to make sure we have this down, let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.